Are you ready to unlock your path to financial abundance? In this video, we explore 10 compelling reasons why achieving wealth and financial success is more attainable than you may think. By understanding these factors and leveraging them to your advantage, you can tap into your wealth potential and pave the way to a prosperous future. Join us as we delve into the reasons why getting rich is easier than you might believe. Abundance mindset. Cultivating an abundance mindset is key to attracting wealth. When you believe that there are abundant opportunities and resources available, you open yourself up to receiving them. For example, rather than thinking that there's a limited amount of wealth in the world, adopt the belief that there's more than enough for everyone, including yourself. Knowledge and education. Acquiring knowledge and investing in education can significantly increase your earning potential. Continuous learning allows you to develop valuable skills that are in demand in the marketplace. For instance, gaining expertise in digital marketing can open up opportunities for higher-paying jobs or even starting your own successful online business. Entrepreneurship. Starting your own business can be a powerful path to wealth creation. With technological advancements and the ease of reaching a global audience, starting an online business has become more accessible than ever. For example, launching an e-commerce store or a digital service-based business allows you to tap into a vast customer base and generate substantial income. Investing. Investing your money wisely can help it grow exponentially over time. By investing in stocks, real estate, or other income-generating assets, you can leverage the power of compounding returns. For instance, consistently investing a portion of your income in a well-diversified portfolio can lead to significant wealth accumulation over the long term. Multiple income streams. Creating multiple streams of income diversifies your sources of revenue and increases your earning potential. This can include side hustles, rental properties, or dividend-paying investments. For example, in addition to your full-time job, you can start a freelance business, earn passive income from investments, or generate revenue from online courses or digital products. Networking and relationships. Building a strong network and nurturing valuable relationships can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Networking allows you to connect with like-minded individuals, potential mentors, and business partners who can support your journey to financial success. For instance, attending industry conferences or joining professional associations can provide valuable networking opportunities. Persistence and resilience. The path to financial success often involves challenges and setbacks. However, persistence and resilience are crucial in overcoming obstacles and continuing to pursue your goals. For example, successful entrepreneurs often face multiple failures before achieving significant breakthroughs. Embrace setbacks as learning experiences and keep pushing forward. Embracing technology. Embracing technological advancements can provide a competitive edge in wealth creation. Technology has democratized access to information, resources, and global markets. For example, leveraging digital platforms and tools can help you reach a broader audience, automate processes, and scale your business more efficiently. Mindful money management. Practicing responsible financial habits is vital for building wealth. This includes budgeting, saving, and avoiding unnecessary debt. By consciously managing your money, you can ensure that you're maximizing your resources and directing them toward your financial goals. For instance, tracking your expenses, prioritizing saving, and minimizing unnecessary expenditures can accelerate your wealth-building journey. Positive financial habits. Cultivating positive financial habits sets the foundation for long-term financial success. This includes regular saving, investing, and avoiding impulsive spending. For example, consistently contributing a portion of your income to retirement accounts or setting aside money for future goals demonstrates discipline and fosters long-term wealth accumulation. By embracing these 10 reasons and incorporating them into your financial strategy, you can unlock your wealth potential and work towards attaining financial success. Remember that each individual's journey is unique, and it's important to adapt these reasons to your specific circumstances and goals. Stay focused, remain persistent, and take proactive steps towards building the financial future you desire. As we conclude our exploration of the 10 reasons why getting rich is easier than you may believe, remember that embracing a positive mindset and taking deliberate action are essential for your financial success. By capitalizing on opportunities, cultivating valuable skills, and leveraging the power of entrepreneurship and investments, you can unlock your wealth potential. Embrace these reasons, stay committed to your goals, and take proactive steps to build the financial future you desire. Remember, achieving wealth is within your reach. Press like button, share our video, and subscribe our channel for more VED in the future. Stay with Double Z. Thanks for watching.